Hello everyone, it's James from MPX AUTOS. How are you today? In this video we would like to share the work that we finished, fix and upgrade the system in a BMW 2720i. This model comes with the factory radios and factory air conditioner over here. You can see this, and it comes with the factory screen on the top, which when the car comes to us, everything was pulled apart out of the place, and it looks really mess. And what happened was the CD player didn't respond, the top screen didn't work, and yeah, what it means it didn't work is that it pops up and down, but other than that nothing's working. And also we found that the communication fiber optic cable was not working in the car, and yes, that's what happened. And we actually end up with the 9-inch full-size system upgrade, like what you see now at this moment, and it is what it looks like here, and it's beautifully fit and stay nicely on the dash. Together with the premium setup of the 9-inch is the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, which we fit right here at the middle of the bumper, you know, the rear bumper. So you can see it's 120i, this 2007. So basically we fix the system, get it back to the place. The air conditioner control still working very well, no problem. And we put the CD player back, and we get the new system, 9-inch touchscreen full-size system going on the top. This is a custom build system for this car because there's no ready system like this in this particular car model. Okay, so now look at this, the reverse camera. You turn the reverse and you get the reverse camera, beautiful, and it works quickly back to the previous screen of the wireless Android Auto, as you see. Yep, so all good, all done, and it's waiting for the collection by the owner tomorrow. So thanks again for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe our YouTube channel before you leave, so we can bring more and more of the interesting and helpful and useful videos for you and for others as well. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.